Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kitech TV, and a few months ago I did a review of this microphone that I bought so that I be using it for my content creation. But I realized that this microphone was not giving me the punch that I needed, the clarity that I needed in a microphone. And one of the major drawbacks I did not like about this microphone is about it didn't have that aspect of voice cancellation. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this microphone. I will give this microphone a 5. This is because the microphone is not that powerful and it is not serving the purpose that I bought it for. I went back to the market and bought another microphone, and it's called the Boya microphone. This one, we are going to unbox it with you and see whether it's more powerful and if it will serve the purpose. The microphone, depending on the box, it's a lavalier microphone and it's a micro gravity. One of the difference between this microphone and this microphone is that this one is a wired microphone, while this one was a wireless microphone. I think this microphone may be powerful, and let's find out what is inside the box. Let's unbox it together. So this is what is in the box. First, you get the manual. The manual, as you can see, it has a manual, and it has the picture of the microphone. It has the top part, the recording part, and also it has the processing part, and also it seems it has a jack. It's a jack microphone. So the other one, in comparison, it was a USB-C microphone, but this one is a jack microphone. It was well packed. As you can see, it comes with its own bag. The microphone itself is this one, and it comes with some USB adapters, and it comes with a jack adapter for in case you want to use it in a mixer, but we are not going to use this adapter because I'm going to use this microphone on the phone. So, and also I see it comes with a watch battery. I will be looking where to use this microphone, where to put this battery. And also it comes with a clip. As you can see, it has a clip that you can use to attach it once you hold the microphone. So now let's see about the microphone. This is the microphone, and I'm going to test it with you guys to see if there's a difference in my video. So guys, you see the processing unit for this microphone. It has a space for the battery that I had shown you earlier, and we will put this battery here so that we can test the microphone. So this is the battery that came with the microphone, and I'm going to put it inside the microphone. So as you note guys, the microphone has a button here, and the button you can see it has you can use it on a camera or on a smartphone. I've switched it to the camera section. Now it's time to test this microphone. Hey guys, I've connected the microphone, and let me know the quality of the microphone and if this is the sound that you need for my content creation. If you need such a microphone, contact me or slide into my inbox to get this microphone. We shall deliver to you at your doorstep. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech content. Remember, this is the only channel that we give you honest reviews of our tech gadgets. See you in my next video. Bye.